Have you ever needed money to grow your business but didn't want to take on a traditional bank loan or give away ownership in your company? If so, you're not alone. One of the fastest growing alternative funding options in 2026 is called revenue-based financing, and it's helping businesses access capital without many of the challenges that come with traditional lending. So, what exactly is revenue-based financing? Instead of fixed monthly payments, businesses repay the funding based on a percentage of their revenue. That means when sales are higher, payments may be higher. When sales slow down, payments may decrease. This flexibility makes revenue-based financing attractive for businesses with fluctuating revenue. Here are a few reasons business owners are choosing this funding option. First, you keep ownership of your business. Unlike investors, funding providers don't take equity. Second, approval can often be faster than traditional bank financing. Third, the funds can be used for a variety of purposes, including marketing campaigns, inventory purchases, hiring staff, equipment, and expansion projects. For example, imagine a business that wants to launch a major marketing campaign but doesn't want to drain its cash reserves. Revenue-based financing can provide the capital needed to grow while preserving working capital. The funding world is changing, and business owners now have more options than ever before. If you've been told no by a bank or simply want to explore flexible funding solutions, revenue-based financing may be worth considering. Follow for more business funding tips, grant opportunities, and alternative financing strategies designed to help your business grow.